Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing good and amazing and great and like you're having everything whatever. I promise that I'll be posting 2 videos per week, but
It's been more than a week since I posted because I was having such a bad week. One single bad day turned into one single bad week. So, you know, we all have that day, but it doesn't mean that I can use that as an excuse to, you know, get away from my work. But I know it's wrong. I'll never do it again. Manichu.
So I'm back here with a new video. A lot of people have been requesting this video to do a simple eye and you know, with a darker lips. So here it is. So we have a very special guest in my channel today. She is like very familiar with us. She comes and visits us every month, and I think you have guessed it by now. Ta-da! So I don't want to call her Aunt Jo or Aunt Flo, so we're just going to name her in this video. And if you're someone new to my channel, hi, I'm Niruthya. I make YouTube videos. You know, I try and make YouTube videos. I know I shouldn't say that, but I try and make YouTube videos. I'm a makeup artist. So hi, welcome to my channel. So let's move on to the video, shall we? Hi guys, so as I said earlier, we have a guest. This is my first guest in my channel, so she has come to visit me. I don't know what to call her, so just help me with the name. So should I go with Karen? Karen has come to visit me. No, I'm just gonna go Daisy. Just gonna go like a bit South Indian. Priya, let's call her Priya. So Priya has come to visit me. So I had a conversation with Priya before this video. Like, say Priya, I have to film a YouTube video, and I have like few other looks to create, and please, like, it would be nice if you just come a few days after the recording. She's like, bitch, no, you know, like I have like so much of demand. I have to go places, just bear with me like for a few days, so I have to. So here we are with our special guest Priya. I think we have Priya in all our lives. We would have definitely come across a Priya in our lives. So this is her. Let me just get started with the video. So I'm just gonna prep my eye with Achicho. Yeah, got it. So I'm just gonna prep my eye with this matte primer. As I said earlier, it's just going to be a very simple eye. I really wasn't having a very good week, you guys, you know. So I'm using this palette. As I'm going to keep my eyes very minimal, I'm just going to use only one shade. So I'm using this shade, this with a mix of this. That is all. I'm just gonna apply it all over my lids, and then move on. Just directly. So as you can see, I haven't segregated this look by, you know, doing the transition and then crease, then coming to inner corner lids and then outer corner lids. Nothing like that. I've just gone with the same color all over my lids, transition, crease, everything is one and the same in this look. So as you can see, I'm done with my eyes, so I'm just going to go ahead and do my brows. So we are done with our brows. So let's move on with our brow bone highlights. So for the brow bone highlight, for like all the highlights in this video, I'm just going to use this highlight. This is from Arden. So if you want, you can go ahead and use it as an inner corner highlight, or you can just leave it as it is. So as you can see, I'm done with my lashes. So either you can leave your eyes like this, or you can use your kajal for your lower lash line. And I wouldn't suggest you to use it for your upper lash line, but because we're just going to concentrate more on your lips in this look, so I'm just going to try and keep it very minimal with the eyes.
So no smudging, nothing. I've just applied it.
So for my upper lash line, I'm just using a tad bit of brown just to make sure everything is merged. And this is not like mandatory, you can always skip this. Just trying to add an element there. That's all for the eyes. So now for the base, forget it. So now for the base, I'm just gonna start using my aloe vera gel. So I'm not using So for the base, I'm gonna start using this aloe vera. So for the base, I'm using this aloe gel. That bit of it could be more than enough. So I'm using this exclusively for Priya. She's quite adamant that she won't be leaving. But let's see who wins. Is it going to be us or Priya's? So this is a battle between us and Priya's, you guys. All the Priyas in the world. Bring it on. From Color Bar. So as you can see, I have quite a visible blemishes, so I'm using this green
Corrector. Just to neutralize it.
around my nose. As you can see, it's like too much of redness. So now I'm using this a matte foundation for my base. Priya stinks, man. Under my eyes, in my pores, on Priya, exclusively on Priya. Wherever I see acne marks, I know I look not a bit, I look scary. Complete mess today, I don't know why. It's all because of you, Priya. It's all because of you. So always dab the product in. Never try to move around with it, or never try to push up or pull it down. Always try to dab the product in. I'm just gonna go over my lips because we are concentrating on lips today. So if you're someone who likes to have like heavy lips and like very simple eye, this is your look. So next I'm using this loose powder in the places where I crease a lot. So I'm not baking, So I'm just tapping the product here and there. We need a little more, just a little more. Almost. Okay. So you usually crease under your eyes. See, the minute I, pack the product, I remove it. So you usually crease under your eyes, in your laugh line, your forehead. So that is all. So that is where you do your powder. So if you want to go baking, I'll do another video on it. So for the blush, I'm using this palette from Makeup Revolution. So I'm using these two shades. Does it have a shade name? No, it doesn't have a shade name. It doesn't have a shade name. So I'm using these two, a mix of these two colors. So I'm taking off the excess product. Smile. So our Priya is in motivation today. I know you will all ask, motivation, but we are doing all this for prayer. So next is the highlight. So for the highlight, as I told earlier, I'm using this the same palette from Arden. So I'm not going to contour today because I like all this rosy plumpiness. So we're just going to get started with our lips now. So for the lips, I'm just going to use only two products. So for the lips, I started using this lip butter from the Body Shop. That's all. So next I'm using this palette from Kryalon. So as I said, I'm just going to use only one color. So I'm using this color LC 122. So it is it's a dark brown color. Sorry, not LC 122, it is LC 307. So I'm using LC 307. Whole palette. Sorry, not the whole palette. So I'm directly applying it with my fingers. It's completely your call. If you're comfortable using a brush, go ahead. Or if you're someone who's just starting out, if you're just exploring your options, try using your fingers. Just be careful around the corners. So that is all. So that is the whole complete look, you guys. So this is the final look, you guys. So if you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon next to the subscribe option. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please do mention in my comment section so that I can create looks like this. And ouch, I did hurt. So I promise you that I will see you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. See, this is my problem. This is the problem. This is why it gets delayed. So I will see you the coming Wednesday. I promise. Okay, bye.